Hey guys, my name is Monica Rawal. You're watching No Rating Movie Review with HT City. And today I'm going to talk about the latest crime drama on Netflix, Raat Akeli Hai. Let me start with a disclaimer. Raat Akeli Hai is dark, gory at some places, and a truly edge-of-the-seat thriller. A rather complicated script, the film rides on its age-old, tried and tested formula of a murder mystery. If you've seen crime drama Paatal Lok, this would look like a shorter version of the longer web series. Starring two of the best talents we have in Bollywood, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte, they are in their full form and pretty dependable to take the story forward. Directed by Hanit Rehan, the film has its high points and then at places it just goes so low that you wait for it to bounce. However, there are ample what's going to happen next moments in the film. Here's the story. There is a rich family, a wedding, a brutal murder of the newly-wed landlord. This is followed by an investigation by an eccentric cop that leads to political connections, dirty secrets, and layers of lies and truths being revealed. Actually saying anything more about the story would lead to giving out spoilers, so I'll keep it only to this much. Here's what works for us. One thing that the film has in abundance is talent. It boasts of a stellar cast including Nawazuddin, Radhika, Shweta Tripathi, Swanan Kirkire, Ila Arun and Tigmanshu Dhulia. Each one worth a watch. Nawaz plays a cop with utmost conviction, and while he's busy with his investigation, I quite like how we also get to see a softer side of his when he's with his mother and talking about finding a suitable girl to get married. Radhika Apte delivers a restrained performance. She might not be there in every frame, but each time she comes on screen, her expressions and silence do more talking than her words. Raat Akeli Hai just saves itself from being predictable as the makers introduce some really clever and unexpected twists. Well, give credit where it's due. I'm glad that there were no forced item numbers or misplaced songs, and the focus is only on the story, and each character sketch has been written with a lot of detailing. Here's what doesn't work for us. Raat Akeli Hai is 2 hours 30 minutes too long. I mean, who makes such lengthy films these days? After a point, I felt everyone was beating around the bush with nothing concrete happening. And no, I refuse to buy that murder mysteries need time to build up. Also, there are way too many subplots. Honestly, by the time it ends, you're still joining the dots and figuring who was related to who. It was sad to see a brilliant actor like Shweta Tripathi being so underutilized in the film. Apart from the scene where she's being questioned by Nawaz's character or her extreme reaction in the climax, there isn't much for her to do. The big reveal in the end would have been intriguing and interesting enough to end the story at, but it wasn't. I didn't understand why there was a need to include an unnecessary love angle. There's a constant mention of the color bias and stereotype that exists, and at some places I found it quite discomforting. In one scene, it even mentions Ajay Devgan and his complexion. To conclude, I'll say Raat Akeli Hai is a perfect watch if you love mysteries and thrillers that don't let you blink your eyes. But be prepared if it turns out to be a snooze fest in between. Nevertheless, Nawaz and Radhika's performance would help you up your spirits and sit through the end. This is me signing off for now. See you next time. Till then, stay safe.